may bago kaming
Guess.
guest. Ang pangalan niya ay Rui, aka Katoto. You know what Katoto? Katoto, introduce yourself.
My name is, Royas Laan. And I'm the katoto of Mike Enriquez and Mike Clement.
And
Mike
And Romel Recio.
Like Enriquez.
Saan ka nakatira?
I live in a house.
Where the house? Where's the house?
A house in Sipina. Sipina, what you call it?
Nasaan ka nag-aaral?
I school in the school.
Oh, the school of the school.
Oh.
The school of what?
Where you come from?
I'm come from Antipolo City.
No,
No,
to
what?
your mother.
That's
To
right.
your mother. Oh. Sino ang nagluwal sa iyo?
Ang mother ko.
Anong name?
Ayari, Shimabukuro.
May nakalimutan ka. Laed.
Oo nga, laed.
Oh,
I really sorry.
sabihin mo na ang iaan mong album.
Kayo nga pala.
Album mo.
Watch out for guys.
For my album.
Next tour and my album Obra Maestra.
And sino ang nagsulat nito?
Si
Rui S. Lain.
Maybel Hamog.
May bel kamog.
Oh, Maybel Hamog.
Ay, amog.
Oh, Amog.
Oh.
Buy this album. You will get free additional one.
Yes.
Oh. Kiss from Rui S.
Yes.
Laed.
Tomorrow night, official premiere of the Obra Maestra.
Obra Maestra.
One buy, one kiss to the Rui.
Thank you.
And me.
Hey, me.
And
Romel
you.
too.
And Romel too.
I want Chika Bebe, huh?
Yeah.
Me too. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Get-
all the support.
Wait lang. To my best friend Christian, Mama chup chup to your tita. Thank you very much. See you on next year
Next year.
and next year again.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye-bye.
How about Benz?
How about Ben?
Benz. Huwag ka na magpagaling, Benz. Ha?
Diyan ka
Diyan ka na lang. Diyan ka na lang.
Stay
Advice to me. Don't stay out of the school. No, stay out of the school and live in your house.
And stay in your CR.
Yo,
Yeah.
and your bathroom.
Yeah, use a cell phone, dude.
Yeah. And you master.
Abangan ng next vlog.
Abangan ng aming next vlog sa next week.
Ikaw
next
ang
year.
guest namin, tapos...
Kaya nga.
Thanks to my vlog, thanks to my cameraman. What is your name?
Michelle.
Umagdaw and
His hair assistant.
and his katoto.
Her.
Her katoto.
Sulay.
Tulay
Godzilla.
TB Binoya.
Sulay Piba Godzilla. No.
And to his actor. To my side comment.
Luis Dagoy.
Luis Dagoy. And thank you to my sponsor.
Pen shop.
My pen shop, my bench, my bong, Vans, Converse, Ponytail, Ray-Ban. Thank you to my Toyota, Mitsubishi, Ford, Porsche.
Ferrari.
Thank you to my best friend.
Ray Bandelio.
Thank you to my
Miss Beautiful.
I will say Tagalog, baka hindi niyo maintindihan. Nagpapasalamat si Michelle kay
Ray Bandelio.
Rui S. Laed. At salamat sa aking kaibigan na si Raymar Deliosa. Raymond Deliosa and to my Ray-Ban and to my Doraemar.
Yo.
Sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you very much and watch my video.
And my album.
We will come
Obra
back
Maestra.
soon of the soon.
Thank you.
Watch for other vloggers.
Thank you.